We bring you a series of online or face-to-face presentation coaching sessions that will change your life. Hi, I am Barbara Gillman, a vocal coach and presentation expert for corporate clients, individuals, and aspiring Eisteddfod participants. Combining years of experience and international exposure, I can propel your presentation skills to the next level. Do you lack confidence when communicating to an audience, film shoot, or invigilator? Are you nervous, scared? Or does the mere thought of giving a presentation make you cringe? Or relax? I can coach you and help you deliver a perfect pitch for presenting to prospective investors, boards, members, clients, or colleagues. I will show you how to prepare a winning presentation with a powerful introduction and conclusion. This course will help you refine your skills when presenting. You will be shown step by step how to breathe correctly, modulate, project your voice, paraphrase, neutralize your accent, and enthuse your audience. First, we start with working on your confidence. A confident speaker is a successful speaker. Then, we will give you the essentials to planning and delivering a powerful presentation, making sure that you address the needs of your audience using the KISS principles. Planning out the way, we will focus on delivery, smile, maintain eye contact, use your body, your voice, and your pace to start strong and end strong. We will go over the 10, 20, 30 rule for slideshows so your audience is captivated and not bored. Human beings are programmed to respond to stories, so we will use stories to touch the hearts, minds, and pockets of your audience. At the end of these 6 one-hour sessions, you will conquer your fears of presenting and have your audience eating out of the palm of your hand, waiting for the words to drip off your tongue like honey. We at Voice Perfect and BOTI are passionate about vocal training, and each training is bespoke, especially tailored to you. Wherever in the world you are, we can connect with you, whether by Zoom, WhatsApp, or Skype. Times and dates to suit us both. So, what are you waiting for? Go on, call us on 082 344 921 or www.voiceperfect.org.